Welcome on board Daily Nautica. How nice to see you. This is our beach area with an extendable platform and our sunshades, umbrellas. The platform goes out and comes in. You will understand why we call a utility vessel when we visit the boat, when we go inside. One of our inspiration is stone and automotive industry. So we introduce best use of marble and natural stone in yachts. Please come in. We have two 1000 HP caterpillars and 12,000 liters diesel capacity, capable of passing ocean with maximum range of 3,000 nautical miles. The yacht is capable of making 15 knots. Also in the economy speed, she consumes 30 liters per hour.